Can I just throw chlorine pucks right into my swimming pool? Well, I mean, you can do anything you want, but it doesn't sound like a very good idea to me. First of all, there's products made specifically to help you dissolve chlorine tabs into your pool. They're called erosion feeders, and they're very affordable. There's really no reason to avoid getting one. Some people might just pile up a bunch of chlorine tabs into their skimmer. You see that all the time. Also, something that I strongly do not recommend that you do. There's a lot of reasons why, and the first is that you're drawing concentrated chlorinated water directly through all of your pool equipment. If you have a heater or a heat pump, then you're going to be especially sorry that you're doing that one day soon. Further to that, if you just have chlorine sitting in your skimmer and you turn off your pump, 12 hours a day like a lot of swimming pool owners do, that chlorine continues to dissolve and it makes super concentrated levels of chlorine in your skimmer, such that it could be dangerous to swimmers or service people, and it can definitely cause damage to the plastic and the piping that connects to the bottom of your skimmer. Skimmers are expensive to replace on every kind of swimming pool. You definitely don't want to prematurely ruin your skimmer just for the sake of being lazy and storing your chlorine in there. Buy an erosion feeder, that's what it's made for. But in this specific question, it's like, well, I just want to throw the chlorine right in there. If you have a fiberglass pool or a vinyl liner pool, you're probably going to ruin your interior surface by doing that. You will do the same for a concrete pool, but you probably won't notice it in the same way. Like, let's say you have a white plaster concrete pool and you're like, how much could this chlorine tab hurt it? Well, it's probably going to damage the plaster where that chlorine puck ends up sitting, and you might end up bleaching a spot. Like, your whole plaster looks white until you bleach a puck-sized spot out and you realize, okay, no, that's white. The rest of it is off-white, and now you have a polka dot swimming pool. And that's just, again, you could have avoided this problem entirely by spending $100. And if you have an in-ground swimming pool, $100 should not be too much to protect it against something that you need to do to it every single day, which is add chlorine. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.